Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to share my first unboxing Labubu box. Most of the boxes unboxed by my son Jason, but this one is for me. I need this. So, and also I wanna complete my set. So I'm doing this and I'm hiding in my closet, and I have no idea what's inside the box, and I'm looking for CC. So far I am very lucky that I didn't got the twins. Like, I didn't got them. All was one, as you can see. I was very lucky for that, and I'm very excited to do my first unboxing Labubu box without my son and hiding in my closet. Let's do this. Oh my god, this is my first unboxing Labubu box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. This is the first time I'm doing, guys. I am so excited. Oh my god. I have no idea, and finger crossed. I'm looking for CC, and I hope I get CC because then my set will complete. Oh my god. So let's unrip this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so nice. Let's see. I'm not looking because I want CC. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Look at her. Oh my god. Oh my god. My set is complete. I have no words. My set is complete. You are adorable, darling. You are.